just passing over in St. Mary's Toronto to the north. I'm on the left hand side to the ocean. Look at that tree, guys. I'm telling you, you can see that it is behaving very bad, very bad. Let me bring it in closer so that you guys can see it. I'm on the outside, but I am safe still where I'm at. Oh my God. A guinea tree just fell on my house at the back. It is from over next door from the neighbor house, but I couldn't do anything about it because it's not mine, so all the wind blow. Oh, it is moving, guys. Finally, it is over here. Finally. I wish I could have gone a view down at the seaside, but I'm not going up on the top. Different view. You take that breeze here, play breeze. My God, merciful Father, help us to make it just go on about it business now. Oh my God. Wow, guys, you can see my little star fruit tree. You see there? You see that tree there where they are so against the breadfruit, the stout one? The breadfruit tree dead, so thank God, because it won't tear down the electricity. And it don't have anything to tear down any limbs because no leaf is not on it. But see my little star fruit them there, guys? You see them? Right there. So yes, in the loom, we pick off some and eat them during the days of the storm, yeah. So I don't want it to mess with it. Melissa, go on and leave me two little ackee them down there. So after this time we have something to eat, because you come to kill, steal and destroy. But the devil is a liar. Because this is the last of you. You cannot do any more harm. We need you to go. We did not invite you here. Oh, glory be to God. Thank you, Father. I don't hear anything what is going on out there yet, you know, but I pray that everybody is fine. You know, pray that everyone is doing well, warm, dry. Even if you are in a shelter, it is better to be in a shelter than in a wet place and a safe place, guys. I think we maybe get about 1, 2 to 3 hours of this. It starts about 4 something, or a little to 4. Yes, the storm when it finally start to hit over here. And it is just non-stop wind, non-stop wind, non-stop wind since it started. Wow, I can hear it. Woo, woo, woo. Guys, you know how long I don't experience a storm here? From Ivan Blow. That was what, 2004? Yes, I don't. Oh my God. A lot of us who have to travel to work, we don't get the chance, you know, especially the persons who do a summer job, you know, or they live overseas. But you know, I just go and hold it like a God blessed child. I am holding it like a God blessed child. Yes. Look at that, look at that. It's a mango tree down the side one side, my friend. You know, people. Lord have mercy. It's a mango tree. If you don't hear the storm, woo, like I said, look at this storm. It'll get rough on the trees, them. Oh God. My word. Jesus, mercy God, mercy God. Boy, hold up your hand off of Jamaica, God. Make it go higher, God. Make it go higher, oh. Jesus. Oh my God.